Thinking about hiking Japan's most iconic mountain? Well, there's a catch. Starting in 2025, you'll need to pay double the fee and pass a test before you even step on the trail. Is this the end of budget-friendly Mount Fuji hikes? For years, hiking Mount Fuji was basically free, with only a voluntary 1,000 yen donation. That's about $6.80. But those days are over. In 2024, Yamanashi Prefecture introduced a 2,000 yen toll. And now, starting in 2025, Shizuoka Prefecture is charging 4,000 yen per hiker. That's around $27 per person. But wait, there's more. Both prefectures are also locking down the trails at night for those without reservations at mountain huts. And here's where things get even crazier. Shizuoka will require hikers to pass a test before climbing. This test covers safety and environmental protection, making sure hikers actually know what they're doing before setting foot on the trail. So why the sudden changes? Well, Mount Fuji has been overrun with tourists, leading to safety concerns and environmental damage. Local officials say these fees and rules will help reduce overcrowding and keep the mountain clean. But let's be real. It's also going to bring in millions in new revenue. For international tourists, 4,000 yen might not be a big deal, thanks to Japan's favorable exchange rates. But for domestic hikers, it's a major price jump. So what do you think? Will these new rules improve the hiking experience or just make it less accessible? Would you still climb Mount Fuji at double the price? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more.